Hi friends, my name is Bharath Chandra. We got some questions in our comment section in the last few days. Some of them we have selected and answering them below. First question, person says that 40,000 rupees per month he needs for his expenses and he wants more information about that, how he can make 40,000 from stock markets, retirement expenses or retirement planning he is already doing side by side. What we feel is stock market is a place to create wealth. It is not very easy to create regular income every month for living expenses. It can only be considered an additional source of income apart from salary or business income. Your primary source of income must be a job or business. This is where you have more scope to earn and save for investments. You must consider stock market investment full time when you have created a corpus of 1 to 2 crores which you can use for regular expenses and there is no pressure to earn any other money. We have seen many youngsters who quit their job and take trading full time and then start making losses and finally take up a job again. In the meanwhile, they have wasted a lot of time and money. If you want to earn around 40,000 regularly from stock markets on a monthly basis, you need to have a capital of around 30 lakhs and learn technical analysis and do short-term trading part-time apart from your job or business. Even then, it may or may not be earned every month like a salary or bank interest. It may be received once in a few months only. Next question, December 2023 batch participant, age 38 years, current portfolio is worth 4.5 lakhs. How much should I invest for 3 crores after 20 years for my retirement? So assuming around 4 lakhs is with him right now and another 3 crores is required after 20 years, I have done the calculations and it is in front of you. If you are going to earn 12% per annum returns, then 27,000 per month should be the monthly investment. If 13% per annum returns can be expected, then 23,000 rupees per month investment required. And if 14% per annum is expected, then 20,000 rupees per month if is invested in stocks or mutual funds, then he can make 3 crores after 20 years. Next question, sir, shall I invest all my savings in stock market or should I invest some amount in gold too? Also, in stock market for long term, can I invest in alcohol and pharma sector? Firstly, it is totally wrong to invest your entire savings in stock markets. It has to be divided and allocated in various instruments. By investing in different assets, you are reducing the risk by diversifying so that you are not too dependent on any particular asset. For example, the ideal asset allocation is as follows: bank balance, PPF, etc. 10% of the total, gold 5%, real estate 50%, mutual funds 15 to 20%, stocks 15 to 20%. So approximate small changes can be made in this percentage, but broadly this is the ideal asset allocation in India. If your knowledge and experience of stock markets is very good, you can invest up to 30% of your total assets in stocks and mutual funds, but not more than that. Also, if you want to invest in alcohol or pharma sector or any sector, we need to do complete fundamental analysis, understand the particular company, understand the sector, understand what could be the future, and accordingly you can put some money in a particular stock or in a mutual fund of that particular sector. This is how you need to decide and not just ask anybody and take a decision. It has to be research done by you. If you like this video, please click the like button and mention in the comment section for you what is a priority in stock market. A. Earning 30 to 40,000 per month. B. Having at least 1 crore for retirement. Mention your answer in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye and all the best.